Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. It's such a special milestone in my career, says Jamaican model after landing on the cover of Dazed magazine. The Saint International model Sonique Dill sent the global fashion industry into a tizzy after scoring her first magazine cover on the British lifestyle magazine's latest summer 2025 celebration issue. In a statement to E-Prime, an excited Dill plans to mark her first cover, a major feat in her career, by buying a few copies for herself and her family. Recalling her time walking in Miu Miu's campaign back in May, Dill stated that closing that show in Paris was an incredible honor. It was surreal to see the response from the press and the industry. The campaign marks Dill's fifth Miu Miu job. She made her exclusive international modeling debut last October for the Miu Miu Spring Summer Show at Paris Fashion Week. Dill is also featured in Fendi's Resort 2026 lookbook that dropped 3 weeks ago. The Saints model has also made appearances in the April released global ad campaign for Valentino's Fall 2025 collection. Dwayne Stevenson, Beanie Man, and Etana lit up Augusttown. Over the weekend, Etana and Kamar McGregor, two Augusttown natives, gave back to the community in a big way through the One Augusttown initiative. The concert, which was the climax following a football competition, provided non-stop entertainment and vibes, allowing upcoming artists from the community to showcase their talent while taking notes from some of the veterans in the business. E-Prime was on the ground and brings you the highlights.
It is a pity you already have your wife. I'm with them now, my money, now my life. Oh Lord, when it's a song of the suffering man, I feel the suffering man.
For all that we've been through over the years, it's nice to see that we're back at this position again, where it's just good vibe. It's not making the news for the wrong reasons or anything like that. That's what I said. So we just like to build up on something like this, and hopefully this is for the long haul and not go back to the days of Augusttown that I sang about. You know what I mean? So it's a great thing.
I'm drinking rum. Can you see them? Them want me get awful like them want me dance all get. I'm drinking rum.
That's what they do. They don't understand how me still a push and go through.
The artist from Augusttown that showed up. Augusttown is full of talent. And so I'm happy I'm able to display some of that tonight and introduce my son, Yusa.
I'm say Jah is always there. He's always near. Never leave my side.
To see all the young people who are here today was a full day of fun and games, football, netball. We had the prize giving, thanks to Etana again.
That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.